guys, Jennifer here. I want to show you two types of casting on today. Full disclaimer, I am a terrible knitter. According to my husband, his mother was a master goddess knitter of yarn land, and I am not, so anyway, let's get to the tutorial. Please consider subscribing if you like knitting tips and crafting, because I think my channel is going to be kind of different things. I don't know. Anyway, so for your short tail cast on, basically what you do is you make a slip knot. So the easiest way for me to show people how to do that is you just make a little loop there, fold it over just like that, and then pull this through. Then you take your needle and pull this part. And there you go. Now you'd want a tail longer than this one knitting, but basically that's how you do it. Then, and you don't want to pull it tight anyway, because you're gonna do this right here. Take this needle and put it through. So you see, we're gonna pull it tight, tighter, not too tight. Put this needle underneath this one. Okay, take this side, put it around the bottom needle. Then you're going to take that needle, pulling this yarn tight in the loop, and then pull out. See, about to lose it. Take this needle and go underneath the front yarn closest to you, in the loop, pull this one out. And now you have 2 stitches. I'll show you again. In the loop, over the bottom needle, pull this right here, through the loop, take this needle in this loop, and pull this one out. And that's it. It's very, very simple. For the long tail cast on method, you need to get enough yarn out to cover how many stitches you're going to do, which can be difficult to determine. So just usually a couple feet would be good for smaller projects. So let's say we needed 3 feet. Take your yarn, just hang it on your needle, take your 2 fingers, and then take your bottom fingers and just hold it. So you're making a diamond shape. Then you take your needle, you go under the yarn closest to you on this side of your thumb. Then you go under the yarn closest to you on this side of your pointer finger, and then you just pull it through the entire thing like that. So now you have 2 stitches. So let me show you again. You just take your fingers, just like that, hold the bottom, take underneath the yarn closest to you, once again underneath the yarn closest to you, and then through the whole thing. And that is the long tail method. We'll do it one more time. Make your diamond. Go under the yarn closest to you, under the yarn closest to you, and through the entire thing. And once you get the hang of it, it becomes sort of like one fluid motion. So it doesn't feel like, you're trying to do all this. So once you get the hang of either casting on methods, it gets a lot easier. So before I forget, pro tip on the long tail cast on method, keep the yarn that you're actually using up, so the end of the yarn, not the working yarn, keep that yarn to your left and keep your working yarn in front of you, because when you actually start casting on, you're pulling, you're using up this yarn that's towards you. So just remember that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to do something quick and easy for people, and just let me know what you thought of it. If you like knitting and you like knitting tips, consider subscribing, even though I have no idea what I'm doing actually. So.